You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix battery draining issues on any iPhone. First, check battery health in settings. Battery health. If maximum capacity is below 80%, consider a replacement. Next, see which apps use the most battery in the last 24 hours or 10 days. Go to Settings, Battery, Identify. Power-hungry apps. Update all apps and your iOS in Settings, General, Software Update. Old software can cause drain. Reduce screen brightness and shorten auto lock time in display and brightness. Disable background app refresh in Settings, General. Turn off location services for non-essential apps in Privacy and Security, Location Services. Set email to fetch manually in Mail, Accounts, fetch new data. Disable unnecessary notifications in Notifications. Turn off raise to wake in Settings, Display and Brightness. Enable low power mode when needed from Control Center or Settings. Battery. Check for a rogue widget on your home screen. Remove it. Restart your iPhone by holding the side button and volume button. If the drain persists, back up and reset all settings via Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This won't erase data. As a last resort, perform a full factory reset after backing up. If problems continue, contact Apple support. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.